Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will start with lesson number 1 on chapter 9 of Physics syllabus 5054 for Cambridge and O-level students, and the topic of today's lesson is transfer of heat. So let us start with our discussion. We already know from our prerequisite knowledge that heat transfers takes place by three mechanisms named as conduction, convection, and radiation. So specifically today in this video we will learn about conduction, and in the videos later on this series of this chapter we will go for convection, radiation, and their applications respectively. So in this diagram, as you can see, the person who is holding the iron rod will feel the heat although his hand is away from the fireplace. So that something is happening and transferring the heat from the fireplace towards his hand. So how does it take process? Let us start to understand that. In conduction, you need to keep 3 points in your mind. First, the conduction takes place in solid. Second, the conduction occurs while the molecules does not leave their position. They just jiggle at their fixed position and transfer the heat to their neighboring molecules. The translational motion of molecule is not there, means they remains at fixed position. So this is a type of transfer of heat which take place only because of the vibration of molecules. As you can see in the figure, the flame is imparting heat to its neighboring molecules, and the neighboring molecules starts to move and vibrate at their fixed position, which cause the collision to the neighboring molecules again. And this is how the heat is being transferred from one point to another. We have noticed in our daily life that some materials conduct heat at faster speed. However, some material conduct heat at a slower speed. So how can we identify the good conductors and bad conductors? And there should be a difference between them. So what is that difference, by the way? Let us look into that. For example, if we will start to heat a glass rod and a metallic rod from a candle or a burner, and will place 3 to 4 thermometers along its length. So we can easily observe in this animation that the temperature of the rod is rising faster and the temperature of glass rod is not changing as faster as that of metal rod. So we can say that metal rod is a good conductor while glass rod is not a good conductor. So there should be a difference between them, and that difference is because of metallic character. The glass rod has fixed molecules and they vibrate to transfer heat from one point to another. As you can see in the figure on the left, the heat is being transferred from fire to hand by only the vibration of molecules, and that is why it is slow. However, in metals, free electron or mobile electrons are there. So along with the vibration of molecules, the electron vibrations are also playing their role in transferring heat from one point to another. And that is why in the experiment which we have just discussed a while ago, we have seen that metal rod has a rise of temperature up to a greater extent and fastly. So the free electron movement actually speed up the process of conduction, and that is how some materials are considered as a good conductor while some are considered as a bad conductor of heat. Thank you for watching the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic. Thank you.